Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I have a haul video to share with you guys, and I'm going to do a detailed flip through of all of the papers. And I had to get this new collection, guys. It is called Boho Baby from Simple Stories. Now, I wasn't actually going to buy it. I mean, I had it in my car. I wanted it. I wasn't going to get it. But then somebody messaged me saying they wanted an album with this specific collection. So then I had to get it. And while I was at it, I just picked one up to have as a spare. So I gotta show you guys what it looks like, because it just looks so adorable. And I wish I could hoard this until I have like my own baby one day, because it is that cute. I probably won't get to hoard it that long, but let me show you guys what the collection looks like in detail, because it's just so stinking cute. And I'm gonna have the links to everything down below for the collection kit and all the other little extras that I got as well. So let's get started, and I'm gonna show you guys this Boho Baby collection. Okay, so I picked up these enamel dots because they were just so pretty. I hope that one day Simple Stories will have like the warehouse boxes or like some de-stash sales, and they can include some of these enamel dots because I love these colors. They're also really cute for fall, and I love that pink. So cute. So those are the enamel dots from the Boho Baby collection. These are the bits and pieces, and I'm going to open these up so that you guys could see them. All right, so we've got this cutie thingy-mabobby. We've got this little baby thing. We've got a bunch of stars. We've got a flower here. Little bits and bobs. We've got this cute little die-cut element, like a little bookshelf. This says baby. This one says you, a toy, a bib, more flowers. Let's see what else we got here. We got some socks. We've got another flower. We've got a bunch of little flowers in here, which I'm loving because I love flowers. I guess that's a cloud. Little slippers. I love you. We've got this is like a hat. A camera. This one says love, so this goes with the other one that you could do love you, like a banner. These toys, like hanging toys. This one as well. So lots of little bits and elements. What does it say? You'll never know, dear, how much I love you. Oh, baby. There's like some mushrooms in here. It kind of reminds me of like the Magical Forest collection by Crate Paper, but with a little bit more of a boho theme. Like, I'm really liking this. A rocking horse, little house, how much I love you, a little wildflower, some banners, a little cut apart, be brave little one, this little light of mine, and a dresser. So there are some good bits and pieces in here. I'm really liking those from this Boho Baby collection. They're not too big either. Some of them are a little bit bigger, but most of them are on the smaller side, which I really, really like. They're not ginormous. All right, next up we have the Boho Baby journal bits, and you guys know I love like the cut aparts and journal cards, so I had to pick this up. This says date here. Got this little like flag ticket thing. This cut apart, like a little photo frame, a tab. We've got this cut apart. This one says little one, little you. We got this cut apart, this little like banner. Got these smaller banners, and you got a star like journal piece for like a little something something. You've got this round one, this one with the bunny, this like hanging one, another tab, these little flags and things, and then this says welcome baby with like the name, date, time, the weight, and the height. And I now wish I got 2 of those because I got a lot more of the collection pieces. Then I did these little things. And I love adding those into like all the baby albums if I could. So I wish I ordered more. But they're also so expensive, like $6. Like, it's not cheap, guys. Next up, there's the Boho Baby 6x8 paper pad. I cannot wait to make something with this. Oh my gosh, it looks so cute. I haven't even seen all the papers in detail yet, so we're going to see them together for the first time. It says, love you to the moon and back. That's the back side. This one's got letters. There's hearts on that side, if you guys could see. This one looks like a little bookshelf. This is some thin paper, but Simple Stories is usually a little thinner. It's the little things, like the 6x8 is usually thinner than like the 12x12. You've got these little like furry friends, and that one's got stripes on the back. This has this beautiful plaid pattern on the back. You've got like a whole scene here, like a little nursery. And the back side's got the flowers. We've got stars. Back side is like ABC blocks. This says, oh so sweet. Flowers, rainbow, polka dots, stars, moon and clouds, and stars on the back. You've got some 4x4 cut aparts here. It says, congratulations, welcome little one, showered with love, and hello sweet baby. Like, that could be cute for like a baby shower and whatnot. Flowers on the back. I love that. Like, why do they add all the cute cut aparts on the pretty like background? You got more 4x4s, Dream Big Little One, the ABCs, My Sunshine, and Hello You. And the back side, that one's not as cute. Love You to the Moon and Back. I mean, but that's still good for like more of a neutral pattern when you need it. Got this one and the ABCs again. Oh, and then it repeats. All right, so super beautiful collection, guys. I love it. Look at that flip through. It is so cute, guys. And it's not like your typical, I guess, baby colors, which is probably why I like it so much. Like, it's not just pink and it's not just blue. So I really do like that. I also got the sticker book because I was like, why not? And these are white stickers, not the clear. So I had to get them because you could use them as decoration. If I can't use the bits and pieces, I could use the sticker book. So that's what they look like. Got these little pieces, some decorative. Oh, I love these. Grow Strong, Born to be Wild. Those are cute. Oh, you get 2 of those. You get these. You just add these throughout. I love the little words. And then there's even smaller words here, just black and white. We've got the months here. And you got these decorative pieces. I love that little like tent teepee thing. You've got these decorative strips. You've got this sheet, like hanging clothes and things. That's really cute. These little banners. And you've got these little flags that you could add a little bit of journaling on these. They're so cute. Okay, so I did get the sticker book as well. I got the chipboard stickers. You've got these nice chipboard pieces, little one, world, hello world, I'm here. Like, these are going to be great for covers and whatnot. And then I just had to, I should have probably gotten 2 of those too, but then I also had to get the foam stickers because they were so cute. Like, I love you, hello, so sweet, love you to the moon and back. And then the other side, like, these are cute for covers as well. Little one, baby, and whatnot. So very, very cute. And then I did get a couple of like extra sheets and things. So I always pick up some extras, especially like with the cut aparts. So I always pick up some of those, and then some patterns that I think I would just use more of. Like, these are also cut aparts, like 4x6s back here. Oh, and I got these tags because they were cute. They have like the months on here. That you could put the weight, height, milestones, and what the child loves. And then it has the months on here as well. So I thought that was really cute. I had to get that. This one's got like some of these journal cards, like that you could actually write on. So I did pick up some extras of those. As you guys can see, I picked up 2. And then just some papers that I liked. So I did pick up a couple of extra pieces, but let me show you now the full collection kit. And like I said, I did pick up 2 of these, and I did a pre-order from a Cherry on Top, and it was just taking forever, guys. to arrive, but it finally got here, so that's always good. But let me show you this. Like, how cute. Okay, so you've got that bookshelf, the back. I mean, you guys saw most of this already. I wonder if any of it's different from the 6x8, but you've got the rainbow, the polka dots, so far the same. You've got your furry friends and the hearts. We've got these stars and this design. You've got these letters and the stripes. This floral paper and the back side. Oh, I probably should have gotten more of those. That one's a pretty one. But then again, like, I also don't know if I'm going to be using it for a boy or a girl. Like, I have no clue, guys. You could probably do both. Some of the, like, the pages without the pink you could do for a boy. Like, even just this side for a boy instead of the other side. I've got more of the months here with the tags on the back. This is the journal cards with that beautiful other flower paper here. These cut aparts here. So this one says, "Twinkle, twinkle, little star, do you know how loved you are?" That's cute. You got another cut apart here, and obviously you could use these as covers or cut aparts. You could add photos to the back. So like, or you could journal on the back. Like, they could be used for both. Oh, but that's a really pretty paper too. Those florals. You've got these cut aparts. "You are my sun, my moon, and all my stars." That is so cute. I love the baby papers. This one's got the blocks on the back. 4x6 cut aparts. "How wonderful life is. Now you're in the world. Love you to the moon and back. Sweet, precious, cute, cuddly, and totally adorable. Little you and love you." And the back side is that plaid. This beautiful plaid. And then I also got the stickers, because every collection kit comes with a sticker sheet. So these are really cute as well. Cute and cuddly. I love that one. So cute. So very, very fun. I cannot wait to play with this collection. I have no idea what I'm making just yet, but I'm sure it's going to be something awesome. Maybe it'll be something I made before, maybe not, maybe something new. I don't know, but such a cute collection, guys. So I'm going to have all the information down below in case you guys are interested in getting one too. And I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know what you guys think of the collection, and I'll see you guys in my next crafty video. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.